Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Nissan Rogue key fob. First, gather all key fobs you wish to program, including any new ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Also, ensure all car doors are closed and remove any large metal objects from inside the vehicle before you begin. To enter programming mode, insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 6 times within 10 seconds. Your hazard lights will flash, indicating the vehicle has entered programming mode. Next, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the ACK position. This prepares the system to receive the new key fob signals for programming. Now, take your first key fob and press any button on it once. The hazard lights will flash again, confirming that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. Immediately repeat this exact step for every other key fob you need to program, one by one, ensuring each receives a confirmation flash. To finalize the process, turn the key to the off position and remove it from the ignition. This action will exit the programming mode. Now, it's crucial to test each programmed key fob to ensure it locks, unlocks, and starts the vehicle correctly. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the steps. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic new e-reader and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.